If the goal is kind of a one and done situation where this is going to be on the stands for a recording session and it's never going to be played again. Oh, and by the way, the players just need like a basic roadmap. They're going to be improvising and they don't really need dynamics. I've worked on a number of these projects really seriously where it's being played to a click track, it's being played with pre-records. They don't need gradations of mezzo piano and pianissimo and all these things. Just write the notes and in context, they will know how it's supposed to go.
The dynamics are the engineer's job. They got faders for that.
Yeah, right. In many cases, it's true. They do. And look, I know it may be sacrilegious to say that, but that is the way it works.